In this tutorial, let us learn about Pandas getting started. Installation of Pandas. If you have the Python and pip already installed on a system, then installation of Pandas is very easy. Installing it using this command, pip install pandas. If this command fails, then use a Python distribution that already has pandas installed like Anaconda, Spider, etc. Import pandas. Once pandas is installed, import it in your applications by adding the import keyword. See import pandas. Now pandas is imported and ready to use. See the example, import pandas. If you create and write this code and execute it, the data returns this Tata3 Maruti 7 Nano 22. Pandas as PD. Pandas is usually imported under the PD alias. In Python, alias are an alternate name for referring to same thing. Create an alias with the as keyword while importing. Import pandas aspd. Now the pandas package can be referred to aspd instead of pandas. See import pandas aspd. See, by writing and executing this code, the result returns this car passing 0 Tata 3 1 Maruti 7 2 Nano 2. Checking pandas version. The version string is stored under core version underscore attribute. Import pandas as pd. Print pd dot underscore version underscore. See, it's a showing 1.0.3. Okay friends, this is the end of part 3, pandas getting started. In next video, let us learn about another topic, pandas series. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.